Welcome to our channel, your ultimate guide for all things health. We believe that the key to a vibrant life is what we put on our plates. And that's exactly what we're here to help you with. In our upcoming video, we're going to embark on an exciting 7-day clean eating challenge. This challenge is designed to kickstart your journey towards a healthier lifestyle, improve your energy levels, and help you embrace the beauty of natural, wholesome food. So, are you ready to transform your eating habits and boost your well-being? Let's dive into our 7-day clean eating challenge. Stay tuned. Are you ready to transform your diet and boost your energy in just 7 days? Welcome to the 7-day clean eating challenge. This is a journey where we embrace food in its most natural state, say goodbye to processed snacks, and welcome a vibrant array of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and complex carbohydrates. The benefits of this challenge are manifold, from feeling more energetic and vibrant to improving your overall health. In just a week, you'll begin to notice a difference in how you feel and how you view the world of food. In this challenge, each day, we will focus on a different aspect of clean eating, providing you with daily steps, practical tips, and mouth-watering meal ideas to help you succeed. So, are you ready to embrace this exciting journey towards a healthier lifestyle? Embark on this journey to a healthier, more energetic you. Stay tuned for the daily meal plans. Day 1 is all about fresh starts. We begin our journey with foods that detoxify. Think leafy greens, vibrant fruits, and wholesome grains. These foods are powerhouses, packed with antioxidants to cleanse your body. They're not just good for you, they're your body's best friends, helping you flush out toxins and kickstart your energy. Imagine the feeling of rejuvenation. That's what these detoxifying foods bring. And the best part? They're delicious too. Day 1 is done and you're off to a great start. Day 2 is a day of fruitful endeavors. Today's meal plan is all about increasing your fruit intake. Fruits are nature's candy, packed with vitamins and antioxidants that boost your immune system and promote radiant skin. From the sweet crunch of apples to the tropical tang of pineapples, your taste buds are in for a treat. But it's not just about the taste. Fruits also provide essential fiber for a healthy digestive system. As day 2 ends, you're already feeling the benefits of clean eating. Day 3 brings us to a veggie victory. We're diving into a myriad of vegetables today, each offering unique health benefits. Consider leafy greens like spinach, packed with iron for energy, and bell peppers for a vitamin C boost. Then there are nutrient-dense veggies like broccoli, a powerhouse of vitamins K and C. And don't forget sweet potatoes, your source of fiber and antioxidants. So relish this veggie victory, savor the flavors, embrace the nutrients. With day 3 completed, you're halfway through the challenge. Day 4 is all about protein power. Today's meal plan emphasizes the significance of lean proteins in our diet. Proteins are the building blocks of our body, aiding in muscle repair and growth, and playing a crucial role in various bodily functions. From grilled chicken breast to lentils, from Greek yogurt to tofu, you'll find an array of protein-rich foods. Remember, balance is the key, and moderation is your best friend. Day 4 is done, and you're powering through. Day 5 is a focus on healthy fats. Today, our meal plan is packed with foods rich in these vital nutrients. You see, healthy fats like those found in avocados, nuts, and fish are essential for our bodies. They provide us with sustained energy, support cell growth, and even protect our vital organs. Think of them as your body's natural fuel, keeping you running smoothly throughout the day. So indulge in these nutritious delights and experience the benefits firsthand. Day 5 is over and you're feeling the energy boost. Day 6 is the day for complex carbohydrates. These are the carbs that give you sustained energy throughout the day as they are slowly broken down by your body. On the menu today, we have whole grains, beans, and starchy vegetables. They're not only delicious, but also packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Remember, these carbs are your body's primary source of energy, so don't shy away from them. Day 6 is completed, and you're almost at the finish line. Day 7 is all about a balanced diet. It's about harmonizing the elements we've explored this week. Fresh fruits, diverse veggies, powerful proteins, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. This balance is not just for today, but for a lifetime. It's about creating a sustainable eating habit that nourishes the body and fuels the mind. Remember, variety is the spice of life and of a healthy diet. With day 7 done, you've completed the 7-day clean eating challenge. Thank you for joining us on this 7-day journey to healthier eating. You've accomplished so much in just a week, but remember, this is just the beginning. The real challenge lies in maintaining these healthy habits. Continue to experiment with new fruits, vegetables, proteins, fats, and carbohydrates. Keep exploring new recipes, and remember, balance is key. If you ever find yourself straying from your clean eating habits, don't be too hard on yourself. It's not about perfection, it's about progress, so keep going, keep growing, and keep eating clean. Congratulations on completing the 7-day clean eating challenge. Together, we've jump-started a journey of health and vitality. We've navigated through 7 days of mindful eating, each day focusing on a crucial aspect of our diet. From starting fresh on day 1 to celebrating a balanced diet on day 7, we've embraced a variety of foods that not only tantalize our taste buds, but also nourish our bodies. Let's revisit some key points. Day 1 was about detoxifying, eliminating processed foods, and welcoming whole, natural foods. Days 2 and 3 saw us explore the world of fruits and vegetables, bursting with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Day 4 introduced the importance of lean proteins in muscle building and repair. Day 5 highlighted the role of healthy fats in boosting brain function and heart health. Day 6 was all about complex carbohydrates, our body's primary energy source. And finally, Day 7 brought it all together, emphasizing the need for a balanced diet for sustained health and energy. The benefits of this clean eating challenge extend far beyond these 7 days. Improved energy levels, enhanced mood, better sleep, and a stronger immune system are just a few of the advantages you might have already started to notice. So, let's not stop here. Make these 7 days the foundation of your lifelong journey towards better health. Because remember, when it comes to your health, every bite counts. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please like, subscribe, and share our channel with your friends. Stay tuned for more All Things Health.